Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the storage is full error on WhatsApp on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. This issue happens when your iPhone storage is completely full and there is no space left for WhatsApp to save new photos, videos or files. To fix it, you simply need to free up some space on your iPhone. Here are two easy ways to do that. Method 1. Delete unwanted photos and videos. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. On the Photos app, find and delete any unnecessary photos or videos you don't need. But remember, some downloaded files are not saved in the Photos app, they are saved in the Files app. So do this, go back to the home screen and open the Files app. Tap on Browse at the bottom right. Then go to On My iPhone section. Here, check all folders and delete extra videos or files you don't need. After deleting the files here, now go to the deleted folder and delete all the files from there too. Method 2. Delete unused apps or app data. For that, open the Settings application on your device. On the Settings, swipe down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a list of apps and how much space each one is using. Find the app you don't use anymore and delete them. Some apps like YouTube use a lot of space because of downloaded content. Example, YouTube may take 3 GB space, but the app itself is only 150 MB. The rest is downloaded videos. So just open the YouTube app, tap on your profile, then go to download section and delete downloaded videos. By deleting unnecessary files, apps or downloads, you can easily free up space on your iPhone and fix the WhatsApp storage is full issue. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.